So now I want to go into meditation, but before that, I just like to do a little bit of body movement. Let's just I like people to know about neck anatomy. And so we're going to roll our necks, but first we're going to do a few other things. So the head is on a ball and socket joint on the top of the cervical spine. And you can move the head independently of the neck. So you can nod it up and down just on the ball and socket joint and keep the neck almost still. And then you can move it back and forth like this. And you can move it to a certain extent without needing to move the neck much. And you can also move it sort of diagonally. And maybe now just roll the neck a little bit one way and roll it back the other way. And raise your shoulders to your ears when you're ready, and then drop them. And maybe do that a few more times. And just for people who spend a lot of time on the computer, the neck and shoulders can get tight, and it's nice to give them a chance to loosen. So let's prepare for meditation. And the first thing I'm going to have us do is bring our attention. It helps to bring our attention first to our extremities. So if you bring your attention first to your feet and feel, what do your feet feel like? Are they feeling pressure? Are they hot or cold? What's going on with your feet? And moving our awareness to our hands, bring your awareness to the space between your first and second finger. And is it tingling? What's the temperature like? And now allow yourself to relax completely in your chair and know that your chair is going to hold you. And feel the gravity on your chair. Allow yourself to imagine the chair holding you up completely comfortably so you can relax 100% into the chair. And when you inhale, I want you to imagine inhaling into your heart. You're actually inhaling into the lung tissue around your heart. So inhaling into that lung area around the heart. I'll just abbreviate that as inhaling into the heart. With our awareness on our hearts. The breath going in and out of the heart. And from our awareness in our hearts, I'd like you to picture, what I want is the feeling of appreciation or gratitude, unconditional love. And so is there a being who you unconditionally love? It could be a pet, it could be a grandchild, a spouse, some other kind of relative. It could even be an experience of watching a sunset or a beautiful work of art. Anything that brings that unalloyed appreciation, that unalloyed gratitude, that is the feeling that we now feel is filling our heart. And we just relax and allow the heart to fill with this deep gratitude. And as this love, as this appreciation fills our hearts, it overflows and is now filling our entire body. And we can allow ourselves to relax into that, to dive into it. to notice that we are that. This love, this appreciation is our essence. We are a part of it. It is a part of us. Now let's feel that love, that appreciation spill out beyond our bodies and connect across the miles with the other members, with everybody in our room, with the other members of our congregation, everybody on this call. And this love, this awareness, this beingness exists outside of time and space. And so we are connecting not only with each other, but with anyone else watching this at any other time. And we can feel their love radiating into our bodies as ours radiates into theirs. And now we relax into the stillness, silence. If you find your thoughts wandering, just allow your awareness to return to your heart, the joy, the love, the appreciation that is flowing from your heart. An eternal flow of living water, of living love. resting in the stillness. Now allow yourself to take a deep inhalation. And as you bring your attention, your awareness back into this room, know that that love, that connection, that joy from our hearts is always there, outside of space and time. So no matter what we're doing, we can always access that.